Hollywood icon Tom Cruise is in talks with filmmaker Doug Liman for making part 2 of their sci-fi hit film Edge of Tomorrow. Released in 2014, the film Edge of Tomorrow will be celebrating its 10th anniversary this year. During an interview with The Empire, Liman told the magazine that he and Cruise keep on talking about making a sequel, stating, "We love that world." He also mentioned how he and Tom rewatched the entire movie 2 months ago as he had not seen it in the last 10 years. "I was like, wow, that is a really good movie," he added. Doug Liman revealed that he never had the good fortune of having films with massive box office opening weekends. He also stated, "What I've come to understand is, I'm making movies for the long term. I am an ego-driven guy. I'd like to get accolades now. But I also recognize that if I was given the choice, I'll choose making films that people 50 years from now are still watching." Though Warner Brothers was making the sequel to the Tom Cruise starrer film and had onboarded Matthew Robinson already to write the script, it still did not conclude. Edge of Tomorrow, also known as Live, Die, Repeat, captivated the audiences with its innovative storyline and gripping action sequences back in 2014. The film, based on a 2004 novel, All You Need Is Skill, follows Major William Cage, enacted by Tom, who is caught in a time loop during a war with alien invaders. Each time he dies, he is forced to relive the same day, learning and adapting in his fight for survival alongside Special Forces warrior Rita Vratarsky. This role is portrayed by Emily Blunt. On the Happy Sad Confused podcast, Emily Blunt expressed her excitement about reuniting with Tom Cruise for the project. "I would love to make it a reality, but I just don't know when or how. And how many Mission Impossible does he need?" the actress added. The sci-fi action thriller, which became a cult favorite after its release in 2014, will see its original director and star teaming up once again to bring another exhilarating chapter to the big screen. As the makers of Edge of Tomorrow hint at a sequel, the details about its plot still remain under wraps. The original film received praise for its blend of smart science fiction and intense action. Now it's time to see how the sequel goes. Let's see if Tom Cruise's versatility as an action star still stands capable of delivering both physical performance and emotional depth in the sequel too.